So now let's see how we can work around with light rays and light streak effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here, and in order to add in light rays to it, then I need to go around under the effects tab right here. Then I need to go around and scroll down until I see the light and flares, and over here you can see that light rays is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here onto my footage, so let's just go around and click and drag it right here, then the light ray is added in. So I can go around and change around the intensity of the light ray, as you can see, and you can click and drag this out, and you can see that the light ray effect changes up according to the source right here, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the radius of the light ray right here to be small or big right here, and change around the intensity as well. So this is how you can go around and change it out. You can go around and change around the quality as well, as you can see. So you can make it more like robotic or more in quality right here. You can choose around the blend mode, as you can see right here. So you can lighten it out and so forth and get the effect you want. And you can also go around and change around the position, as you can see right here. And that is the light rays effect. Another effect that we have right here is the light streak. And for that, we need a composition layer. So I'm just going to go around and right click and make this a composite shot right here and press OK. So I have a composite shot now. So I'm going to go around and drag in the light rays over here inside, and what happens is that this is what you have. So you can see that these are the light streaks effect right here, before and after, and you can go around and change around the brightness of this, and then change around the scale over here as well of the colors. Then you can change around the threshold, as you can see right here, and you can see that this is the effect that you have right here with more blurry view. And you can go around and change around the size over here as well, as you can see, to get the effect just like this. You can go around and change around the blending modes over here as well, like screen and so forth, to get the effect that you want right here, so that it blends in. And you also have an option to mask it out with other layers. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and add in another layer right here, I can go around over here and then choose the other layer for masking as well, just like this. So over here you can see that there's rays and so forth. So let me just keep it none. There's number of rays right here that can be increased and decreased right here. And for each of the rays, you can go around and change around the brightness, the size right here, as you can see, and the angle as well. So you can go around and change it out. So each of the rays right here, you can change around the brightness, the angle, and the size. So it is very, very precise, as you can see right here. And you can control this out as you like. And that is how you can work around with light rays and light streak effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.